We added somebody to the lemon pepper fan club.
You've influenced me. What's up? It's Kat and Dev from Two More Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe, and it would not be summer if we weren't cooking up some corn on the cob.
Yeah, I mean, it became this like unofficial tradition at TMG.
Yeah, I feel like in the summer you're gonna expect a s'mores recipe and you're gonna expect a corn recipe from us, and everything else is fair game.
Yeah, but we just know that a corn recipe has to be on the menu and s'mores.
So what kind of corn did we make today?
So I'm going into my spice cupboard again and picking out one of my favorite. We did lemon pepper corn on the cob.
I think it's genius, actually.
So
We've
good.
done some really good lemon pepper stuff so far.
Yeah, I love lemon pepper, as I've said every time we talk about lemon pepper. So I've eaten this one already, and it's so good.
Even just like, I tasted the
butter
mixture. Yeah, the butter. Even just the butter. It's good.
Yeah, no, that butter, like, it makes a lot of butter, so like you'll have extras. Use that on like baked potatoes, like regular corn, not on the cob. So good. Bread. Oh my god, some garlic bread if you added more garlic to it. Oh, so good. Is there such a thing as lemon pepper bread?
I think that there should be now.
All right, we'll make it.
Okay, before we get grilling, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future vegan recipes and whatever Wednesdays and all kinds of fun. But it's time to go cook this corn. Let's get corny.
To make your lemon pepper corn on the cob, we're first going to start off by making our lemon pepper vegan butter. So to do that, you want to combine some vegan butter with some finely chopped basil, finely chopped parsley, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, maple syrup, and a little bit of salt, and just mix that until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to wrap our corn in tin foil and cook it on the grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, rotating it frequently so that you get all sides cooked. Once the corn is a bright yellow, you're going to remove it from the foil, and then optionally here, if you want, you can brush it with some of your butter mixture before adding it to the grill to cook, or you can just add it to the grill to cook as is. So you're going to cook it just until you get a nice char on all sides of the corn, and then you're going to spread on some of that lemon pepper butter that you made and serve. All right, time to eat some corn. I got my dish full of corn.
Oh, wow.
All right. It's so good.
I swear, once you start cooking your corn like this and doing more than just the salt and butter, can't go back.
Right? Like, corn is good just in its like purest form with salt and butter. But like, sometimes you just gotta jazz it up.
Even getting the grill marks on it.
Yeah, that's a must. So Devin, what do you think?
It is so good.
Do you keep lemon pepper in your house now?
I do now, yeah.
Amazing. We added somebody to the lemon pepper fan club.
You've influenced me.
I really like this one. I think it might be one of my favorite ones that we've made.
Me too. And it's so simple.
And I think that's also why I like it so much. Like, the flavor's amazing, but it's so simple.
Don't get me wrong. Some of the loaded ones we've done in the past have been so good.
Yeah.
But this is easy to make just like on the fly, you know?
Yeah, this is like a good, like, you're making corn, let's figure out how to spruce it up with like, it takes like an extra 30 seconds.
Okay, I think in the comments, say the corniest thing you can think of.
I like that you laughed at the idea of it.
Well, I'm excited. Or other ways to level up your corn. I guess we could talk about that too.
Yeah, we probably talk about that every year, but, you know, we need more ideas.
Yeah, why not talk about it? I mean, if we only talk about it once a year, I think that that's okay.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, yeah, we never talk about corn any other time, so.
No, not
Corn
at all.
really doesn't make an appearance on our blog other than the recipes where we just put things on corn on the cob.
Our contract says once a year you talk about corn and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, as usual, the recipe will be in the description box below for you to go make this corn. You can also check out all of our past corn recipes on our blog, and it'll be linked in the corner. And
the corner!
In the corner!
That's great.
That's wonderful. Okay. Also in the description box below is a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First, and it comes out every Monday everywhere that you listen to podcasts. We talk about veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, our favorite food content. So go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do. And in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us that way, we really, truly appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share the corn.
Share the corn.
Food corn.
Weak.
Oh.
Oh. All right.
Popcorn.
Time for
corn.
pasta.